I have here bedstraw. This is a really cool plant. They studied this plant to learn how to make Velcro, and so that's how they learned how to make Velcro. So God did it first, always, right? But this is medicinal. And while I don't remember all the uses medicinally for it, I know there's times when I wished I had it, so I'm going to take it home and dry it, and I will then have it for when I need it.
and study it too. Because a lot of times, I'm looking through my books and I remember a certain plant has got certain properties. I can't remember what they are, so we'll collect it and go home and then I'll read up on it and study it. And this is also edible, the bedstraw is. It's in the genus Galium. It's got a square stem. It's got a whorl of leaves, they call it. So you can see the leaves come out in a whorl like that with a square stem, so it's very easy to identify, and it sticks to you. So that's another identifying characteristic of bedstraw. Oh, another thing that you can use it for, because it sticks together so well, you can make a little mat like this. If you're out in a camping situation or survival situation and you need to make some kind of a sieve to sieve, strain something out, you can make a little mat like this and then pour the stuff through it, and this acts like a sieve. Okay. Now this plant here is, we'll be seeing this growing in the mountains. This is a winter plant, really. It likes to grow in the weather. It likes cold weather. This is called chickweed, and this is an edible plant. You can just eat it raw, put it in salads and stuff like that. It's got a little tiny white flower. That's the flower bud right there. And one thing that's kind of got, it's hard to see, but if you look at it, the stem, it's got like a little row of hairs going up it, and that's an identifying characteristic of it. You can see the leaf stem. There's one row of hairs, kind of like it has a little mohawk going up on the stem. So that's another identifying characteristic. A good plant that you use it a lot. They use it for weight loss and stuff. It helps you lose weight. You can read up on it. Stellaria medina or something like that. I can't remember the botanical name right now. But it's so easy to identify once you see it. And you'll find it grow in the shade and cold weather. So, I mean, it'll start growing up at our house in about 3 or 4 weeks probably. And you'll find it in just solid masses, so you can pick a lot of it up in a very short amount of time.